Sigil, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you 4 most universal basic cleansing rune formulas based on the 4 elements that you can use for anything. Keep in mind that before activating a rune formula you should check it with divination if it will be safe for you. The general formula of these cleanses is like this. It consists of the runes Dagas, then the second rune will be the rune of the element, and the third rune is Rune. Dagas is the rune of the new stage, also of the rune of cleansing, rune of enlightenment, or rune of light. So with the energy of Dagas a new stage happens that brings light. Then comes the rune of the element, and the third rune is the rune Rune, is the rune of the result. Rune is the rune of the joy, happiness and success, also a rune of cleansing. So the result of this cleansing rune formula will be aligned with the idea of the rune Rune. The first element is the fire element. That is represented by the rune Sovilo. So Dagas Sovilo Rune is a rune formula for cleansing with fire element, with the energy of the sun, with the energy of light. The second is the water element. Dagas Lagus Rune. Lagus is the rune of the water element. It is the cleanse with the water element, it washes away all the negative energy. The third one is the air element. The air element is represented by the rune Ansus, is the rune of the speech, rune of thought, rune of the god Odin. So the negative energy is blown away with air, with the aspect of air. And the fourth element is the element of earth. Earth is represented by the rune Yera, is the rune of the cycle of the nature, rune of the natural cycle of life, and also the rune of harvest and the rune of achieving results from your actions. So with this rune formula, the negative energy is cleansed with the energy of earth. So by using one of these 4 rune formulas, you can cleanse some negative energy. In a simple way, you can activate it just by drawing it on your body, and also you can say a short incantation that is appropriate for a cleansing operation, something like this. By the power of these runes, all negative energy, all curses, all evil eyes, all blocks, all energy blocks will be cleansed from me. This rune formula works in the safest way possible for me and in the most efficient way. So be it. If it's on your body or it's on some kind of an amulet, for example a paper amulet just like this, and you carry it with you for a few days, for a week, for how long are needed, but keep in mind that the cleansing magical operation should not be kept for a long time. This is not a long-term runic amulet. This amulet should be active not longer for 11 days. Keeping a cleanse active for long times could harm you. If you want to learn more about runes, join my courses. If you want to learn how to check with divination if runes will be safe for you, if runes will be working for you, and learn a simple ritual of activation with the 4 elements, you can join it on my course and perform your first runic ritual in 10 minutes.